Welcome, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. A crypto business is on the list of top 100 startups. So this is pretty exciting news. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. Whenever investing in any investment, whether it's cryptocurrency or stocks or real estate or something else entirely, always do your own research before you put your own money at risk. So, this is quite an interesting article put out by CNBC, and they came up with the 100 of the world's most promising startups to watch in 2019. And the company on the list that we're looking at is Lolly. It's a Bitcoin rewards for online shoppers. They're located in New York, and they started about a year ago, back in 2018. So Lolly was founded by Alex Aldman. They're in New York City, and they're in the retail financial technologies industry. Lolly is a rewards application that allows people to earn and own Bitcoin when they shop online. The company is partnered with 1,000 plus brands and merchants, including Walmart, Priceline, and Macy's, and is currently available on Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Top investors include Bain Capital Ventures and Forerunner Ventures. And so this company could become quite a player, since by spending Bitcoin on merchandise you're purchasing at Macy's or other stores, Lolly will give you rewards points, and then those reward points can be used on a whole variety of other things. And so you can see in this picture, they've got the Lolly app up, and they're going to buy something out here on Macy's, and they're looking at different clothes and merchandise for their family. So this is kind of an interesting development. Here you're going to spend Bitcoin, get rewards, and buy some stuff online. As always, I want to ask you, how can I be of service to you? You know, the Wall Street greed is out there. They don't care about you. All they care about is how can they make money with cryptocurrency. That's why the backed exchange came into existence. Now, what we have to keep in mind is, I like what a friend of mine said, that the greediest people in the world work on Wall Street. And when the greediest people in the world are doing something like the New York Stock Exchange investing $400 million, now think about it. Would the greediest people in the world spend $400 million on something that they had any slight concern about? And yet, Wall Street giant New York Stock Exchange and Seattle giant Starbucks and Microsoft, all three teamed up to build the backed exchange. And the backed exchange went live on September 23rd. And then in sometime in 2020, the backed exchange company is going to come out with an applet, a wallet that you can use to buy Starbucks with Bitcoin. And currently, the only cryptocurrency that's traded on the backed exchange at this time, November 17th, 2019, is Bitcoin. So you have to think, hey, look, Wall Street greed is running down the path of Bitcoin. What the best thing may be for, and this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. This is what I was telling my mom earlier today. But when Wall Street greed is chasing Bitcoin, maybe I should take a look at it as well. And so I want you to know that you can do this. It's very easy to purchase and get invested in Bitcoin. Don't let fear of missing out or fear of losing money stop you from taking a serious look at this. Like I said earlier, don't trust what I say. Do your own research. Look into it for yourself. You may find that this is an exciting time and an exciting investment for you and your family. I sure think so about me and my family. If you have any questions, if I can be of service in any way to you, please leave comments below. If you disagree with what I'm saying, please leave comments below. That's how you and I are going to learn. You know things I don't know. I know things you don't know. And when we share what each of us doesn't know, we both can grow from it. We both will get smarter. So let's get smarter together. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. I hope you have a fantastic day.